family, good morning. So today I'm going to show you the Diwali decorations I did for my room. So let's आज दिवाली है, so I got up around 5 a.m. in the morning because I had to do some photo shoot for the Instagram for this look. By the way, I'm wearing the same saree for Diwali, but of course I will be changing the blouse because this is very delicate and it's a body chain which I'm wearing with the saree. So this was for the Instagram. Of course I will change it for the puja of Diwali, but I just wanted to show you my room decorations. I think they're pretty cute and you can get some ideas for Diwali puja. So let me show it to you. So okay, let me show it to you, kitty cats. I put some diyas on my vanity. I got these from Amazon and these are scented. These smell so good and look so pretty. Absolute delight. And some genda fools, some roses because I wanted my room to smell good. Some tea light candles, and these are wine glasses which is filled with petals, and then I put a tea light candle. Like in this one I put genda fool, and of course my candles, my Bath and Body Works candles. And it's the same here, you have seen it, right? Okay, I just wanted to show you this corner. Me and my papa, we both decorated this corner. I think it looks so festive, right? I decorated my mirror too, and this is my whole look. I will go and do some photo shoot for Instagram, and then I will change into something more comfortable, like maybe this chicken kurta. It's very comfortable and very pretty, so I will change into this. For the daytime and for Diwali puja, I will wear the same sari but with a different blouse. So that's it for the outfits. Now I will show you this makeup look. It's very simple, very classy, appropriate for Diwali, and I will also show you how to take your makeup from day to night in just one trick, one step. So you can just play this video and get ready with me. Also I will show you how to do skincare for Diwali, of course. Before moving on to the makeup tutorial, I just want to wish you once again happy Diwali. बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं आप सभी को दीपावली की. Happy Diwali to all of you and have a safe Diwali. Bye bye. Hey kitty cats, good morning. So today we will do makeup for Diwali and also the skincare, and it's already too late for me, so let's get ready for Diwali. I have to do so many things. I have to do Diwali decoration, rangoli bhi banani hai, bahut sara kaam hai. So let's begin with the makeup, and I have to spend some time with the family also, and ye video bhi upload karni hai. So there's a lot to do. So pehle eye makeup karte hain because I like to do my eye makeup first. If I mess up my eyeliner, it's more easy to fix it without any foundation on. That's why I will do the eye makeup first. So I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Mint eyeshadow palette, and I was scrolling Nicka today and I saw this palette on Nicka. So let's do this. And I'm so sorry for the noise because it's Diwali time, so there's a lot of noise. I can't control it. So in this palette I'm using this peachy nude shade. I don't know if you can see it. First I will just put some concealer on my eyes. Okay, I got this new concealer, Benefit Boing. Let's see, I got the shade number 6. So I will conceal my eyes. I used this peachy single eyeshadow all over my eyelid and just drew a simple cat eyeliner, and that's it. Now we will do the base makeup, but before that we will do the skincare. So I'm using the Estee Lauder ANR serum, but before that I'm going to use the Kama Ayurveda rose water and spray it on my hand because it might get on my eyelids, and we don't want that because eye makeup is done. For the glowy makeup you really need to hydrate your skin. My skin is well hydrated. Now let's use the ANR serum. You can use any serum you have with you. For moisturizer I'm using Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This cream is so amazing and it makes my skin so smooth. And kitty cats, now we will do the base makeup, and for my foundation I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation in shade Cashew, and I'm going to mix it with my MAC strobing cream in shade Pinklite and 1 drop of oil for that glowy makeup look, Diwali makeup, right? Kitty cats, I'll be very honest with you, I'm in love with this foundation. It does not budge even from my nose. My nose is so oily and no foundation stay on my nose more than 2-3 hours. It becomes so oily, but it does not budge from my T-zone. I'm using Benefit Boing Concealer in shade number 6 under my eyes. And you know, all of the foundation used to break me out if I wore it longer, but this one doesn't, so I can wear it till the evening. That is amazing, you know, especially for me being a blogger. Sometimes I'm filming for almost 12 hours. This thing does not budge, does not break me out. I'm in love with this foundation, would highly recommend this and worth every penny. Kitty cats, I just use a Wet n Wild eyebrow kit to fill in my eyebrows. I have so many eyebrows, so much eyebrows on my face. I'm a mess today. This makeup tutorial is all over the place. I just filled my eyebrows using Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. Don't mind me, I have to film some Instagram reels for you. I have a lot to do today because it's Diwali time, so this is the time for bloggers to post. But I just wanted to show you how I got ready for Diwali, and you can just play this video while you're getting ready for Diwali, and yeah, let's do it together like girlfriends, you know. Now everything is done, base makeup is done. Let's put some blush. For blush, I'm using the same eyeshadow which I used on my eyes and put it on my cheeks. I love wearing blush. It makes your face come alive. I'm also putting Hoola bronzer. I'm also using Estee Lauder highlighter on my cheekbones, on my cupid's bow, on my nose bridge. I love this highlighter. It's a buttery smooth formula. I'm also using the pink blush from this palette. This is the Pink Seduction palette. I'm using OFRA lipstick in shade Charmed, and I'm going to top it up with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I really wish that Fenty Beauty comes to India very soon so that you can also use this beautiful lip gloss. Oh my god, I love this gloss. Look at this gloss. This is in shade Fussy, and I really hope that Fenty Beauty comes to India very soon. And I think the makeup look is finished. I have this new makeup spray from Too Faced. This makeup look, oh my god, this has my heart. It is looking so glowy and Diwali ready. Abhi, I will show you one small trick which you can do, how you can take your day makeup. Like right now it's so simple, just one eyeshadow and cat eyeliner, but you can take it to the night just doing one small thing. Just by using the liquid eyeshadow. This is by Ruby Organics. You can also use the Nicka liquid eyeshadow, that's very cheap, and just put it over your eyeshadow and just smudge it all over your eyelid, and you have this beautiful eye makeup look. I always do this trick when I want to take my day makeup to night makeup and don't want to do everything from all over again. I will show you how to do this, but before that I'm going to take some photos with this look and get ready. I will show you the full outfit which I'm wearing for Diwali. So I'm gonna go and get ready for Diwali, and you will see some photos and videos for my look. So okay kitty cats, now I will show you how to take this makeup look to the night for Diwali Puja, and I'm just going to use the Ruby Organics melted eyeshadow on my eyelid. It's in Auras, and I'm just going to put it on my eyelid, 3 dots, okay, and then just smudge it all over my eyelid. And voila, you are ready for Diwali Puja and Lakshmi Ji. May this Diwali bring lots of prosperity and happiness in your life and family. Happy Diwali, my kitty cats. I hope you enjoyed my Diwali series. If you did, then do let me know in the comment section. For the giveaway, all you have to do is write down your favorite memory in the comments down below, and it would be fun to read your comments. Be honest. And one of you will get the Dr. Sheth Glow Kit. So yes, kitty cats, good luck. And happy Diwali once again. Bye-bye.